Welcome back to the Undervalued Investor YouTube channel, where today we have to discuss this precious metal producer that is absolutely crushing right now called Calibre Mining. It trades on the TSE under CXB, and in the last 5 days is up a whopping 14% as we break down the news that's driving this price action. But if you zoom out on a year to date, it is up a whopping 63%. Now, as we break this down, if it's a conversation you'd appreciate, as always, we ask you simply hit that like button, because this is one of those outlier stocks that's definitely outpacing the current market volatility. Now, this company has a very diversified portfolio of assets, with their primary asset being in Nicaragua, which is an operating open pit and underground active exploration drilling with 500,000 tons per year of capacity. They have some assets in Nevada, which is the Pan Mine, which is an open pit heap leach mine with an ROM annual throughput of approximately 4.6 million tons, and some blue sky opportunity in Washington, which is an exploration stage asset located adjacent to the Republic Eureka Gold District, which has historically produced nearly 4 million ounces of gold, with the Golden Eagle that has a 2 million ounce measured and indicated mineral resource. Now, driving into the news that is absolutely propelling this stock right now, as Calibre basically just posted that they have strong free cash flow, with a cash position that increased 26% to 97 million US from a record quarter, producing a whopping 73,485 ounces, with Nicaragua gold production of that being 63,756 ounces and Nevada gold production of 9,729 ounces. Now, this is absolutely incredible. It's their fourth consecutive record consolidated quarterly gold production, and they remain well on track to deliver their full year guidance of 250,000 to 275,000 ounces of gold. They have exploration success at Liberated, yielded an initial mineral resource estimate at the Vulcan gold deposit, and identified additional gold trends proximal to the mill, providing further opportunity to leverage the available surplus processing capacity. They continue to expand zones of high-grade gold mineralization within the Lyman mine complex at the Atravesada and along the VTEM corridor, demonstrating the expansion and discovery potential across the property, and the potential to increase resources, grade, and confidence around the Pan Mine, which was reaffirmed with high-grade near-surface drill results immediately south and north of the operating mine. And I want to step back in time a little bit and just take a look at the financials that they posted coming into the summer. And we can see the company's execution has been just stellar. Keep in mind, this is a year to date of the 6-month ending. This has nothing to do with the results we just discussed, but it gives real insight into the growth vectors and how this company is just performing this year, because revenue jumped pretty dramatically. But what I want you to really focus on the gold ounces produced, because this what really is the bottom line for these kind of companies. And for the 6-month ending in 2022 was 111,000 to 134,000. And keep in mind, when we were just talking about, that expected growth that they're looking to do guidance of 250,000 to 275,000 ounces for this year, this company is in an absolute expansive phase right now. Their balance sheet is just as resilient. Again, for that 6-month going into June, with 200 million in total assets, with 76 million in cash, and you take a look at their total current liabilities being covered just by their cash position, this company is in a very intriguing position, which is reflecting into that current stock price. And taking a look at gold itself, year to date, it is trading up a little bit here at around $1,873 an ounce, and it looks like it's starting to move a bit higher against some of the geopolitical events we're currently seeing in the news. But anywhere from 1,800 to 2,000 an ounce is a highly profitable area, giving them very healthy margins. But I will pass that question off to you. I'd love to know what you think about Calibre Mining in that comment section below.